If you're a single mother, there are multiple financial support payments that you might be entitled to. The most common financial support payment you may be entitled to receive is child support if you are the primary carer of any children of your former relationship. The second most common financial assistance you may be entitled to receive is spousal maintenance. Child support refers to the payment made by your former partner for the costs relating to the care of your children. These costs include housing, clothing, food, schooling, medical expenses, and sometimes even extracurricular activities. In contrast to child support, spousal maintenance is financial support payments made by your former partner to support you while seeking employment or pursuing an education. If you are struggling financially or finding it difficult to provide for yourself following a divorce or separation, you may apply for spousal maintenance. These are just some of the benefits that single mothers are entitled to. For any questions regarding your child support or spousal maintenance, such as whether you are eligible for the payments, please do not hesitate to contact our firm to discuss your particular circumstances. Our team of friendly and experienced family lawyers are always happy to help.